Hi everyone, my name is Denise and welcome to Not My Dressing Room. Today I'm in my hallway. I have something so exciting to share with you guys. I got a Hermes bag that I scored online and I'm actually so happy because I've been trying for a few years to get an Herbag. And I know some people can just walk into their boutique and get one, but our store in Metro Vancouver is very competitive. They did have a green one with the light brown leather that they made available to me in I believe it was 2021, but I wasn't interested in the color. And then every year I kind of would go back, and in 2024 they had a Rouge Oche online, but I didn't get that one. But I actually got the color that I really wanted. Guys, it's the Noir with gold hardware. Now, you know how much I love Chanel with their gold hardware, and it's the same with Hermes. I just think this is so gorgeous on this black bag, and I really like the gold hardware details on these rods. Hermes Paris, both sides, and then the clasp here. And it's the Bosch Hunter, and it is the 31, and it is the retourné style, which I love because it gives it kind of a casual feel. You know, you could wear it to work, you could wear it, you know, it's a very casual bag when I think that these bags are in this style rather than the Cellier. So I will not be turning mine inside out like some people do. That's a hard no. So, and I'm going to keep the key on the back because I actually really like the key on the back. I think it actually just looks, I don't know, looks really nice. So I'll keep it there. The Bosch leather is very thick. It is very sturdy. The shoulder strap too, it's very substantial. So I don't know if it will soften up over time. I'm not too sure about that, but those are the deets. So let's get into, oh yeah, look, I have my little Pegasus. So getting in and out of it is, it's not a challenge, but like any type of bag that you're not used to, you know, of course you're gonna have issues. Just like with my Coach Idol bag, oh my gosh, it took me so long to get in and out of that bag, but now it is one of my favorite crossbody bags. So you just pull the sangles, which I'm sure everybody knows. And then what I like to do is just pull this down a bit like that, comes up, and then it just opens like that. And there you can see the beautiful clou de sel. Oh my gosh, it's just so gorgeous. I keep saying that, but you know what? This is a brand new bag for me, people. I'm so excited. It comes with the pouch, which, you know me, I love all the details, like stuff like that, and I will definitely use the pouch. Let's see what I have inside. I'm not going to do like what's in my bag. I'm just going to go out with it later. So you can see in there I got just the essentials, my wallet, my keys, card case. I won't be carrying my agenda today because it's Friday. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, it is Friday Fabulousness, guys. I'm just so excited about the bag. I totally forgot. What else can I say about the bag? Oh, the inside, the leather right there. You can see how nice that looks, and it's I guess I would call it the raw leather. So beautiful. Lightweight bag. What else can I say, guys, that you haven't heard a bazillion times? And yeah, like I said, I was just on the website, and let me just move you guys down a bit here. Like I said, I was just on the website, and I added to cart, and here she is. I'm just going to show you how I've been getting in and out of it real quick here. I have mastered doing it with one hand on the shoulder, guys. So I go like this. So I kind of use gravity, reverse gravity. So I pull this one up a little bit. Okay, that little click. And then this. Okay, so I had mastered it the other day. Oh, there's the click. Well, I guess I'm not going to. So, hang on. There we go. So it actually took me 2 hands. But I was out the other day and I did get it with one hand. So, let's see. This is very stiff because it's brand new, guys. The sangles are very, very stiff, obviously, because it's a brand new bag. Cheddar! And there we go. And there she is all done up. And then with the clochette. And I'll do some other mod shots. So once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. It's a little bit, fiddly, but whatever. I'll get used to it. So on the website, it said that it drew its inspiration from the iconic Kelly bag for a more casual feel, and I can totally see that. Like I said, it's kind of a perfect bag with the light military canvas and the Vache Hunter. Here's details of the gorgeous gold pouch inside, which is where I'm going to put my phone. And once I use it for a little bit more, I've used it for a few weeks now, I will give you my thoughts and review. So stick around, guys. We're going to do some mod shots right now. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this Friday Fabulousness. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye.